Greetings, space enthusiasts. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the cosmos to explore a truly extraordinary phenomenon: diamond rain on planets. Yes, you heard that right. Join me as we unravel the dazzling secrets behind this celestial spectacle and discover how the atmospheres of certain planets play host to precious gemstone showers. Get ready for a journey through the glittering realms of space. When we think of rain, we imagine water droplets falling from the sky. But on certain distant planets, the atmospheric conditions are so extreme that rain isn't composed of water. It's made of diamonds. Imagine a celestial downpour of sparkling gems. Let's delve into the science behind this cosmic jewelry show. To understand diamond rain, we need to look at the unique atmospheres of gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn. These planets have carbon-rich atmospheres where, under immense pressure and temperature, carbon atoms can form into tiny diamonds. It's a far cry from the traditional process of diamond formation on Earth. As these diamond raindrops form, they descend through the planet's atmosphere, pushed down by powerful gravitational forces. The journey takes them toward the core, where the pressure and temperature increase dramatically. By the time these carbon structures reach the depths, they transform into glittering diamonds. Hardly the kind you'd find in a jewelry store. Now, you might be wondering about the size of these diamond raindrops. They're not your typical gemstone-sized diamonds. Instead, they're believed to be minuscule, with some estimates suggesting they could be as small as a millimeter or even nanometer in size. Yet, collectively, they create a sparkling spectacle of celestial beauty. While our own gas giants host diamond rain, scientists speculate that similar processes could occur on exoplanets in distant star systems. The quest to understand the diversity of atmospheric compositions and the potential for diamond rain in other corners of the universe adds an exciting layer to our exploration of the cosmos. And there you have it, the dazzling phenomenon of diamond rain on planets, where the atmospheres transform carbon into celestial gemstones. If you found this journey through the cosmic jewelry show as fascinating as I did, hit the like button, subscribe for more space exploration content, and share your thoughts on diamond rain in the comments below. Until our next cosmic adventure, stay curious and keep looking up.